Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna break a box of the new 2019-20 ice hockey product, and in it you get 5 cards a pack, 5 packs per box. You get 1 hard signed autograph and 1 memorabilia or exquisite card in every box. And ice is pretty good. I like it because of all the on-card autographs you get. I've seen boxes of this opened already on YouTube, and I've seen some nice, pretty good boxes opened with numerous autographs. So let's see how lucky I am. Try my luck again, like always. There we go. Out of the box. Some heft to them. Pretty heavy stack here. This one's particularly heavy. Maybe the third pack is the money pack. We'll see. All right, let's do this. Wasting all my money on hockey cards. All right, what we got first? We got Taylor Hall. We got a yellow parallel of Steven Stamkos. That's 1 per box. And here's my first hit. Ooh, Elvis Merzlikins. He's a good goaltender. And it is a rookie jersey card. Yep. I'm not. Well, what am I trying to say here? Not disappointed with that hit. There. Jonathan Huberdeau, Mitch Marner. All right, pack number 2. Decoy. We have Evgeny Malkin, Jesperi Kotkaniemi. Got Matthews Green, another rookie card, Sub-Zero of Rasmus Sandin, 742 of 999. And Elias Pettersson. Should we open this heavier one? Could be. Yeah, it's a thick card. Let's save it. All right, third pack. We got Jonathan Toews, Austin Matthews base. We got Brady Tkachuk green. What is this? Guillaume Brisebois rookie card, and he is a tier 5, so numbered out of 1299. Rookie for the Canucks, and behind it is a base of Matthew Barzal. Okay, let's put this here. Maybe I'll do a recap after. Alright, fourth pack. So far, just that 1 jersey card, no autographs. This is also a decoy. Claude Giroux, Sid the Kid, green parallel, nice PC hit. Happy. What do we got here? Out of 499, Trevor Moore. That is a tier 3 rookie. Trevor Moore. Oh, Adam Fox behind it. Another Sub-Zero out of 999. 2 hit pack there. Alright, this is what I paid for. Let's see. Please be something nice. Autograph for sure. It's gotta be. Jacob Trouba, Claude Giroux green, Leon Draisaitl, Ryan Getzlaf. What do we got here? Number 18, it's Columbus. Signature swatch. Hey, cool, man. That is funny. Pierre-Luc Dubois, 8 of 99. Look at that. It's not even that. It's kind of funny in person. It looks dinky, like it's like a tiny autograph. But I don't have any signature swatch cards. That's kind of neat. I didn't even know they made these. All right, cool. Let's do a recap here. What do we got here? This is all the hits. We hit this Pierre-Luc Dubois, 5th overall, I think. Columbus Blue Jackets, 8 out of 99. Hit a green of Claude Giroux. Adam Fox, Sub-Zero out of 999. Hit this Ice Premieres of Trevor Moore out of 499. Sid the Kid, green, parallel. Brady Tkachuk, green. Steven Stamkos, orange, parallel. 1299. Guillaume Brisebois, Ice Premieres. Rasmus Sandin, Sub-Zero out of 999. And green parallel Austin Matthews. Elvis Merzlikins jersey. Ice Premiere jersey, not numbered. And yeah, that's all she wrote. I don't know. What do you think? It's pretty stellar, I think. I don't know. I like that card. I like that autograph of Pierre-Luc Dubois jersey. Swatch autograph out of 99. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day. Bye.